Hi, I'm Hillary with Helping of Happiness. Today we are showing you how to make the easiest dinner ever. French bread pizza in the air fryer. This is something that kids can make really easy, teens. It's like the best quick recipe. It's awesome for really busy nights, especially during the holidays when things are going really crazy. So just a few ingredients, and I'll show you the air fryer first, and then I also will show you how to do this in the oven in case you don't have an air fryer. Thank you for cooking with us today. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a video, and like this video if you're excited to be eating this pizza. I would love to hear in the comments how you are making this recipe. Did you make it in the air fryer? Are you gonna make it in the oven? Let me know and tell me all your favorite pizza toppings so that we can get some ideas for what yummy French bread pizzas we wanna make.